Alright, so the Aeneid, Book 1, lines 631 through 642. Dido was just talking about how she's experienced some of the same things as Aeneas and understands his situation. So seek memory with us. She recalls. And we've got the symbol. As soon as, or you can say at the same time. I do get she leads. Aeneas into the Regia Tecta, the royal palace. Alright, and synecdoche, that's literally roof, but part for whole synecdoche can come to mean house or some sort of dwelling of sorts. So as soon as she does that, at the same time, indicate honorum, she proclaims honors in the temples of the gods. And that is a syncopated form of devorum. This is going to combo to me nevertheless. Enter it meanwhile. Ad littera, to the shores. Soki east for his allies. Mitted she sends. 20 bulls. Kent 100. Modifying Orentia, modifying Tergum. And then the suum in the next line is also a little bit tricky because you may be thinking his or her own, but actually the suum is coming from Zeus, which means pig. So this ORUM is going to be matching up with that. Maybe a bit easier if I switch colors. There we go. Alright, so 100 bristling or horde Terga backs. Of large swine and the bristling, the shuddering, yeah, they're freaking out. They know what's going to happen to them. $100 Agnos And the Pinguis is modifying them. Fat lambs with the mothers. And in apposition all this, you've got the Munera Laetatum. Gifts and joy for the day. But the inner palace if we scan, that's going to be short A. So Splendid is actually modifying Domus, which is fourth declension in feminine. And so we have some interlocking word order, some A, B, A, B there. So the inner palace Splendid Instruator is decorated with regal luxury and parent they prepare Kamui the feast in the Medes Tectes middle of the halls. The cloth, Westace's cloth, and so we got some chiasmus here. The cloth having been worked out, and we would probably say embroidered with that, with skill and Ultra Superbo, Proud Purple, Ingens, silver, a huge plate, or huge silver, presumably plate, on the tables, and then colada is a participle modifying facta. The facta, the 40 facta, the brave deeds. Patrum. Of the fathers. Kalata and Aro. Embossed in gold. And then Longissimus Seres. A very long series rerum of events. Ducta let out or traced. Per tot Weros through so many men. It only makes sense that Antiqua is ablative, even though we can't scan it to figure it out. From the ancient origin of the race. Alright, so now we're getting ready for a really, really fancy feast.